lovely yogi. Welcome to Flow with Shreya. I'm Shreya and today I'm bringing you a quick postnatal yoga flow. Now while this flow is designed for postpartum moms, it can be practiced by anyone if you just have a little bit of time. If you are newly postpartum, please be sure to consult your healthcare provider if you have any concerns to make sure you are ready for movement. And above all, always listen to your body and take things at your own pace. Modify where you need to. If you're ready for a quick postnatal flow, come flow with me. We'll begin in a seat. Take any seat that's comfortable for you. Allow your eyes to soften and close. If you fall asleep, that's okay. Take a deep breath in through the nose. Let it go through your mouth. One more time. In through the nose. Really sigh it all the way. Drop your shoulders. Speaking of shoulders, open your eyes and we'll begin with some shoulder rolls here. Up and back. You might be feeling some tenseness from all the baby holding and feeding that you might be doing. Or just all the tension that you might be holding, worrying about your baby. Take these shoulder rolls in the opposite direction. Totally normal, totally okay. We use physical movement here to work off some of that tension. Take a deep breath in as you come to center, reach your arms up high. Exhale, twist to the right. You can twist a little bit more gently here if you're just newly postpartum. Inhale your way back up. Exhale to the opposite side. Again, go just as deep as your body feels good. Reconnecting with your body here, your new body. Inhale your way back to center. Bring your palms to heart center. And placing one palm on your heart, one palm on your belly, where your baby used to live. Allow your eyes to soften once more. And just send yourself some love, some grace. Find gratitude for your body here. Inhale, blink your eyes open. Reach your palms up overhead. Exhale as you fold forward. Again, go just as far as it feels right. And then rolling over onto your hands and knees. Turn your fingertips out towards the edges of your mat. Maybe take some shifts here. Wrists are another place moms can feel a little bit of tension, so we'll work that out here. Turn your fingertips towards your thighs. Again, maybe rock forward and back, side to side. Notice what you feel. And then turn your fingertips towards each other in the center. Shift once more. Placing your palms in any direction that feels good. Maybe tuck your toes under if you need a little bit more stability or balance. Inhale, lift your chest. Exhale, round the upper back, tuck your chin under. Inhale and lift. Exhale, tuck your tailbone in. Take a few more rounds of cats and cows going at your own pace. Again, these can be as shallow or as deep as it works for your body, depending on what stage of healing you're at. Less is more when it comes to being newly postpartum. As you exhale, sink your hips back towards your heels, just working out any tension in the bottoms of your feet. knee in the center for some hip circles here. Just taking it around. Toes can go long if that feels better for you. Then we'll move in the opposite direction. And go as slow as your body wants to. Linger wherever you need to. And then meet me back in the center. Bring your toes together, knees wide. Lengthen your arms for a child's pose. You can always use blocks or pillows here to rest your forehead on. The child's pose with the bolster underneath your torso is a really relaxing pose as well. Use your breath here to melt any tension away. With each exhale, feel your body release. Inhale your way up, crossing at the ankles, coming to a seat. Then bending the knees, feet flat on the ground. Moving to the center of your mat, gently begin to roll back and down. Alternatively, you can turn onto your side and come onto your back as well. As you make your way into this space, tuck your shoulders under. Bring your heels close to your glutes. Inhale and lift, bridge pose. Keeping your belly button drawn towards your spine, hip bones pulling together, engaging your core. Exhale and gently lower. We'll work on a little bit of core engagement here for our lower abdomen. Staying in this space, take a deep breath in. And as you exhale, draw your hip bones towards each other, hugging your belly button up and in. You might even want to place your fingers on your hip bones to notice this sensation. Inhale, release your belly. Exhale, squeeze everything in. Squeeze your pelvic floor up towards you as well. Inhale and release everything. Exhale and squeeze everything towards each other. Inhale, fill your belly up with air. Exhale, squeeze and hug. A few more rounds, going at your own pace. Next breath, just come back to neutral. Extend your legs out long. Maybe even bring your heels together for butterfly, reclined butterfly posture. One hand on the heart, one hand on the belly, or palms by your sides. And just breathe here in your Shavasana. Really feel your body melting into the ground with each exhale. Let Mama Earth absorb all your tension and worries. Gently begin to wiggle your fingers and toes. Bend your knees if they're not already. Bring your feet flat on the mat. Hug your knees in towards your chest. Roll over onto one side. Pause for a breath or two. Press yourself up when you're ready. Meet me in a seat. Any seat that's comfortable for you. Palms to heart center. Deep breath in through the nose and out through the mouth. Thank you for taking the time for you. Namaste. Thank you so much for honoring me with your time and joining me in this practice. If you found this video helpful, please be sure to subscribe to my channel and click the thumbs up button. Please also share this video so more postpartum moms can find it. If you share it on social media, tag me at Flow with Shreya. I'd love to see that you practice with me. If you want to flow a little bit more, check out my Yin playlist, Vinyasa playlist, or Relaxing Yoga playlist. Thank you so much for joining me. Namaste.